Let's move on 16th note. The point is only 1. Remember? 16th note value is half of 8th note. If you know that, everything is fine. So let's start. Thank you. First, let's make sure from very important thing. When we have more than one 8th note or 16th note, we combine the notes together. So these are 4 16ths, and these are 2 8th note. This is 8th note. These are 16th note. These are 16th note and 1 8th note. 1 16th, 1 8th note, 1 16th. Let's see from the first line. They look different, but the value of second measure is half value of the first measure. So they sound same. Just you count half when you play the second measure. Again, they look different, but just value is different. Rhythm patterns are the same. Let's play from first line. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Third line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Fourth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Last line. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So, second measure's value is half value of first measure. That is the point.